Before you watch this video, I just want to warn you, most of our leads now are repair surgeries. People asking for repairs from badly thought out hair transplants and mostly hairlines. So if you're watching this, the chances are you could end up being a victim. So be careful and please make sure that you learn some things from this video. So here we have some really key points for a hairline repair and things that we can really overlook if we're not really careful. So where the hairline is positioned, how low does it go, the makeup of the hairline, the singles in the hairline, the feathering, the angles of those grafts, what angles will they be, how flush will they need to be with the skin, and the direction those hairs need to go in. So in this video, let's look at those points as Dr. Bazanga talks us through a repair. And one thing he says here is very important. Anyone can mess you up in one sitting, but it takes several then to do the repair properly. So make sure that you get it right the first time.
Time and time again, we always gonna be facing challenges when reconstructing hairline in patients. Especially when we decide to bring the hairline down. There are rules that we talk about and we discuss, and I think that unfortunately I have to repeat myself again. Most doctors or most clinics don't understand these rules. The first rule is the rule of proportion. So we usually look at the chin and the tip of the nose, glabella hairline. So this patient, if we look at all the proportion taken, the hairline should have been placed here, but he was dropped by almost a centimeter down. Look, he was dropped almost there by a centimeter. But when I ask the patient to frown, when they ask him to frown, you can see that his last wrinkle is basically where they put the hairline. You can be placing hairline in the wrinkle line because every time they're gonna have facial expression, the hairline is gonna move. So we don't want that. We want to stay at least 1 centimeter for that line. And the second thing is hair directions. That's different than angulation. When you look at natural patient hair here, they going this way. These is natural hair direction in the temples. But look at what they did. The hair direction are being placed this way, making it completely unnatural for him to style his hair, and the whole thing is just a mess because you have 3 hairs, 4 hairs close to the hairline. There is no a defined hairline. So what we're going to do, we're going to remove everything that is outside of what's supposed to be the hairline for his age, and in a second operation we will rebuild the proper hairline following the guidelines and especially the hair directions. So it's very important to understand that it may take just one procedure to mess you up, but it's gonna take time and resources to fix it. So make sure you get it right the first time.